Hello! My friend Evia asked me for a video about how to make a volcano. There are many ways to create eruptions in your backyard. I'm going to show you a safe and simple way to make a volcano today. For this experiment, I'm going to use a cup, some water, baking soda, 3 or 4 tablespoons at least, 1 teaspoon of dish soap, some vinegar. Here I have some old rice vinegar that I haven't used in a long time. That's what I'm going to use, but white vinegar will work. And some food coloring if I want the lava to be really red. Next, I need to find the perfect spot for my volcano. It's a spot that can be messy, so probably outside. It can be a sand area, it can be a gravel area, it can be a dirt area, or here I have some nice pebbles. So I'm going to put my cup in the middle, and I'm going to make a mountain all around. The higher, the better. So I'm adding more and more pebbles until it goes all the way up. Next, I'm going to put some water in my cup. About 3/4 of the cup will be filled with water. Then I will add 4 tablespoons of baking soda, 2, 3, 4. Next, I'm going to put some food coloring. I chose red for the lava. I'm mixing a little bit. And finally, the vinegar. Ready? Here it comes. Let's see what happens now. Ooh. And here's my volcano. Ooh. And it's flowing. And you can do it again and again and again. But when you're done, don't forget to put everything away. Oh, and if you have great volcanoes, send me the pictures.